mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to the dollar store and I wanted to film this video for any of you guys that are moving out, that live, you know, on your own, or just for everyone. I think that a lot of us shop at different stores like Target, Walmart. We buy the essentials there, but it's been a while since I've been going to the dollar store, and usually I would just go to buy like a gift bag or something for a party. But I started noticing that they started selling a lot of different things that you can find at stores, and they're usually a lot more expensive. And I just wanted to show you guys what I personally buy from there that would cost more somewhere else, and you can get it for $1. So I'm actually going right now, and I wanted to film this and show you guys what I get from the dollar store. And like I said, if you're thinking of moving out, if you're out on your own, or for anyone, if you see any of these things that I'm gonna show you and you usually get them for more, go to the dollar store. You're gonna save a lot of money. Yeah, so I will see you guys when I get back. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got back from the dollar store and I got a few things. So let me show you guys what I got right now. Usually get these foam cups. The reason why I love these is that I usually in the morning I will make coffee for myself, and I will just use one of these, and then what I do is before I go to work I refill it with coffee, just take it to work, and then I don't have to worry about my personal cup, which I do take sometimes. Usually take foam cups. What I get at the dollar store too is sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I buy the bigger pack when I go to Target or Walmart, are the paper roll, and I usually get about 2 or 3 every time I go, and I usually go to the dollar store once a week to just refill things up that I may need. So I usually get these are $1, and just whenever I go I buy some, and I also sometimes buy some when for my car. So these come handy when something spills or if you need to clean anything. I always keep one in my car. Well, another thing that I ran out of are some garbage bags, and I usually do get those at Walmart or Target, and I just get the bigger pack. But right now, since I don't have any and I was at the dollar store, I got the Glad. These have 7 bags, but honestly I think if you get these probably at any other store they're gonna be more than $1, so I got that. What are they called? Cushnets. And I usually, actually last time I got these, I got them at TJ Maxx, and I don't remember how much they were, but these were $1. And I usually put these on chairs so they don't scratch your floors. Baby wipes. And I don't know if you guys are like me, but I usually keep some in every bathroom. And you know, every time you go, you have to clean yourself. So I usually keep one in my gym bag. I keep one in my purse, and in every bathroom. So these come handy. Again, I'm not sure how much these are at stores, but these are $1, and these are the Huggy ones. Where I get a lot of cleaning supplies, so I get these, and these are just to kind of clean the counters with these. I do get something else for that at Home Depot, but if you need to clean anything or just something a little, then I do use this. This is just a refill, but I use that. I get sanitizer. Usually I have sanitizer. I usually don't have at home because I usually just wash my hands, but I get it for work, and I just got this for here for the house, just to have. I get this for my dishes. I actually like washing dishes. I feel like it's very therapeutic, so I don't know, I like washing dishes. So I was actually thinking about changing my dishwasher to a mini fridge, and that would be for like to keep like wine or just drinks. I think I would use that more than what I'm using because I never use it to wash my dishes. So I was actually thinking about that, and I have a little area where I keep my bottles, and it's like a little, like a mini bar. So I wanted to have the fridge underneath and just keep drinks there. So yeah, we'll see if I do get that. But yeah, I get this at the dollar store, and again, it's $1. I don't know, it has to be like $2 or more than that at the store, so these are good. Lysol, I like to change these just every week. So like I said, these are $1 and you can get them there. I'm not sure exactly how much they are at stores, but I started finding these there. So when I go to the store, I find just random things, and I usually just get them. The cotton swabs, so I know these you can find at other stores for $1, but since I was already there, I got some. I'm so Mexican for this, but they have the Suavitel there, and typically, you know, sometimes if I do find myself at Walmart or Target, I do buy the bigger one, but I honestly try really hard not to go to those stores just because I know that I will spend more money. So yeah, I usually just get this every week, and it's been working fine. Another thing that honestly, you guys know I'm pretty Mexican and I'm proud, but I also get Fabuloso. So I get Fabuloso from there. I usually have 2 or 3 at home, but I like to just buy every time I go, so if one week I don't go, I have enough. And yeah, so this one is actually a new one. You can clean more than just the floors with this one. Let me see how it smells. Oh, it smells really good. And it's not that my favorite color is purple, but I guess it kind of is. Yeah, so I got that. I usually also get the Glade, and these go for the bathroom, so I get these. I usually have 2 or 3 at home, but I usually just buy so I can change it every week. In terms of like toothpaste, I was getting that Walgreens or Target, but I actually noticed that they started selling the Crest, and that's the one I use. So I usually now get this at the dollar store, and it's just $1. I change my toothbrush, I would say every month. I don't know if that's good or bad. I'm pretty sure it's good. You're supposed to change it every 6 months, but I change mine every month just because I don't buy the fancy ones or anything like that. I just get the regular Colgate, just simple one, but I do change it every month, so I get it there. So my brother got me addicted to the Mountain Dew Kickstarts, and I usually get them there too, so I actually got 2 for him right now. That's about it. I didn't get a lot of things. My receipt was about $22, so it's not a whole lot for, you know, for everything that I got. I didn't go last week because obviously I was in Mexico, so I got a little bit more things now, but I usually spend a lot less going there than if I was to go to any other store. And I mean, I do go every week, but I don't buy the same things every week. So I just wanted to show you guys that in terms of cleaning supplies, in terms of just household items, you can get them there cheaper than, you know, what you would at any other store. Another thing that I wanted to show you guys that I got there, and that I keep in my car, and that is for whenever I need to clean anything, or if I need to just keep it aside. And what I have at home too, so I didn't get it this time, is antibacterial wipes. So I keep one at home, and then I keep one in my car. So what I got at the store is this little box, so this little container. What I have here, I have the wipes, paper towel, and I have this cleaning spray. And I just have it in the car for whenever I need it. And you never know if you have other people in your car, they might spill something. So you never know, you might need paper towels, you may need to clean anything up. So I have that just in case. I wanted to show you guys that too. So you guys, and now I also noticed that they have a lot of things for your car, like cleaning supplies for your car. So yeah, I just went to the dollar store, and I wanted to show you guys that you guys can get a few things if you're on a budget, if you live on your own, if you just moved out, or just for anyone. It's a lot cheaper if you go there. I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know if you would like to see more videos like this one, but I will see you guys on my next video.